How to activate or register your American Express gift card. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser and then move into the official site of American Express. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and then log into your account. Once you have been logged into your account, now what you want to do is head over to check balance at the top right corner of the screen. And then in the section of manage your card, you will be able to enter all of the detailed information of your gift card. Enter the card detail of your gift card. First of all, enter the card number 15 digits with no space. And then enter the expiration date, security code, and also the email address for optional. Once you have entered all the information, tap on continue at the bottom of the screen. And then your card will be activated successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.